drop the top 10. You know what ruins a trip faster than bad weather? Trying to see everything. You land in a new place and suddenly you're a contestant on the Amazing Race. Must see this, bucket list that, the museum, the monument, the panoramic viewpoint. Half the time, you're not even sure why it's famous. It just is. But here's a thought. What if the best parts of a place aren't even on the list? The truth is, those little unplanned moments, they're what stay with you. The late night corner shop, the old man feeding pigeons in a forgotten square, the accidental detour that turns into a day. Ditch the top 10 lists. Instead, pull up Atlas Obscura. It's like a treasure map of odd, overlooked, fascinating spots. Cursed dolls, underground tunnels, tiny museums about bread. I'm not joking. It's weird, it's wonderful, and it's all user submitted. Then cross-check on Reddit. Search for city name hidden gems or just lurk in local subreddits. You'll find real people giving unfiltered tips like go to this auntie's noodle cart after 11 p.m. level intel. Not influencers, not guidebooks, locals and travelers just like you. Next trick? Slow down. Walk instead of ride. Pick one neighborhood and stay in it for the whole day. Not the one with 5 landmarks, the one with no landmarks. Grab a coffee, watch a street performer, read the flyers stapled to a pole. Or pick a theme. For example, I want to see how this city eats breakfast. Want deeper connection? Try with locals. You can book a cooking class in someone's home or a weird walking tour led by someone who actually lives there. Or go even more grassroots with platforms like coaches and where people open their homes, yes, but also their neighborhoods. And when you travel like this, slower, stranger, more human, something shifts. You stop collecting places, you start feeling them. You go home with stories no one else has. And that's the point, right? You didn't fly 8 hours just to take the same photos everyone else. If this made you want to delete your itinerary and follow your nose, do it. And if you've got a favorite off-track find, drop it in the comments. Let's build a better list. And yeah, subscribe if you want more ways to travel like a real human.